Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade wine yeast. To start, you will need a few simple ingredients: fresh fruit, sugar, and clean, non-chlorinated water. The most crucial step is sanitation. Ensure all your equipment, like jars and spoons, is meticulously clean. This prevents any unwanted bacteria from contaminating your yeast culture. We will begin by preparing a small starter solution to get the natural yeast active and thriving. Now, let's create your yeast starter. In a thoroughly sanitized jar, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 2 cups of warm, non-chlorinated water. Stir until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, add approximately 1/2 cup of crushed fresh fruit, like grapes or berries, which provides natural yeast and nutrients. Cover the jar loosely with a cloth or lid, allowing air to circulate but keeping dust and insects out. During the fermentation process, temperature control is key. Keep your starter in a warm spot, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You will soon notice signs of active fermentation, such as bubbling and a foamy layer forming on the surface. This indicates your yeast is thriving. Stir the mixture gently twice a day for 3 to 5 days, ensuring the yeast gets enough oxygen to multiply. After 3 to 5 days, your yeast should be ready for harvesting. Carefully strain the liquid to remove all fruit solids, leaving behind the yeast-rich solution. Allow this solution to sit undisturbed for several hours or even overnight, so the yeast settles to the bottom, forming a thick, creamy paste. You can then carefully pour off the liquid and store the concentrated yeast paste in a sealed container in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.